What is the chemical formula for sodium chloride? A O2, B H2O, C NaCl, D CO2. The correct answer is C NaCl. What were some coins used for business transactions in the Vedic period? A. Shells, B. Salt, C. Copper plates, D. Gold and silver coins. The correct answer is D. Gold and silver coins. Which of the following is an example of an aqueous solution of ammonia? A. Carbonated beverages, B. Formalin, C. Household cleaners, D. Sugar solution. The correct answer is C. Household cleaners. Which of these is considered a major plantation crop of India? A. Rubber, B. Wheat, C. Lentils, D. Rice. The correct answer is A. Rubber. Which part of food grains like rice and wheat cannot be eaten? A. The husk, B. The root, C. The grain itself, D. The stalk. The correct answer is A. The husk. Besides the three great kings, who else held significant independent power? A. Village elders, B. Minor chieftains, C. Council of poets, D. Chief priests. The correct answer is B. Minor chieftains. What is stated as a momentous development in the history of South India? A. The decline of the Chola Empire, B. The rise of the Bahmani Sultanate, C. The invasion of Alauddin Khalji, D. The establishment of the Vijayanagar kingdom. The correct answer is D. The establishment of the Vijayanagar kingdom. What is an example of a mixture formed by combining rice, dal, salt, chilies, pepper, and ghee? A. Pongal, B. Borewell water, C. Milk, D. Salt solution. The correct answer is A. Pongal. How are molecules arranged in solids? A. Far apart, B. Randomly distributed, C. Loosely arranged, D. Closely arranged. The correct answer is D. Closely arranged. What is being tested in the experiment regarding the given salt? A. Its conductivity, B. Its pH level, C. Its melting point, D. Its dissolution process. The correct answer is D. Its dissolution process. What term number is specified for the science books? A. Terrace M3, B. Terrace M2, C. Terrace M4, D. Terrace M1. The correct answer is A. Terrace M3. What term refers to work or a job? A. Consumer, B. Commodity, C. Settlement, D. Occupation. The correct answer is D. Occupation. How many concentric layers make up the Earth? A. 2, B. 4, C. 5, D. 3. The correct answer is D. 3. What kind of organisms are fish, frog, lizard, and snake? A. Warm-blooded, B. Homothermic, C. Endothermic, D. Poikilothermic. The correct answer is D. Poikilothermic. Who was the Indian leader of the revolt in Lucknow? A. Rani Lakshmi Bai, B. Begum Hazrat Mahal, C. John Nicholson, D. Bahadur Shah II. The correct answer is B. Begum Hazrat Mahal. Besides least count, what other properties are to be found for the vernier caliper? A. Mass and volume. B. Range and zero error. C. Pressure and force. D. Density and temperature. The correct answer is B. Range and zero error. What is a presentation defined as? A. A collection of audio files. B. A type of database. C. A structured delivery of information. D. A software programming language. The correct answer is C. A structured delivery of information. What was the attitude of the nobles in France towards the rising middle class? A. They were supportive. B. They joined forces with them. C. They were opposed. D. They were indifferent. The correct answer is C. They were opposed. What is one specific reason some public sector enterprises were started related to import substitution? A. To facilitate international trade agreements. B. To produce goods formerly imported. C. To reduce domestic consumption. D. To increase exports. The correct answer is B. To produce goods formerly imported. What is considered the highest category and largest division in biological classification? A. Phylum. B. Kingdom. C. Order. D. Class. The correct answer is B. Kingdom. Which house represents the people of the state? A. Legislative Council. B. High Court. C. Legislative Assembly. D. Cabinet Ministers. The correct answer is C. Legislative Assembly. Besides Andhra Pradesh, which other state is listed as a jute goods producing area? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Karnataka. C. Odisha. D. Maharashtra. The correct answer is C. Odisha. Which of the following makes it easier to move an object? A. A rough surface. B. A smooth surface. C. A sticky surface. D. A heavy surface. The correct answer is B. A smooth surface. What is the common name for phenol? A. Hydrochloric acid. B. Carbolic acid. C. Nitric acid. D. Sulfuric acid. The correct answer is B. Carbolic acid. Who do farmers often depend on for the disposal of their farm products due to poor marketing? A. Local traders and middlemen. B. Government agencies. C. Large retail chains. D. Export companies. The correct answer is A. Local traders and middlemen. Which organization is mentioned in the context of space missions like Chandrayaan-1 and Mangalyaan? A. ESA. B. ISRO. C. Roscosmos. D. NASA. The correct answer is B. ISRO. For each coulomb of charge passing through a light bulb, what is converted? A. Chemical energy into light. B. Mechanical energy into electrical. C. Heat energy into kinetic. D. Electrical energy into other forms. The correct answer is D. Electrical energy into other forms. What is one of the primary influences of climate? A. Human lifestyle. B. Global trade. C. Internet usage. D. Satellite communication. The correct answer is A. Human lifestyle. Where is the surplus water from the tanks finally discharged? A. Gulf of Mannar. B. Laccadive Sea. C. Andaman Sea. D. Polk Strait. The correct answer is D. Polk Strait. Coal gas is described as a mixture of which gases? A. Oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. B. Nitrogen, hydrogen, and oxygen. C. Water, methane, and carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. The correct answer is D. Hydrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. How did you score?